This is what Africa has been waiting for. The new invention from P. Vugani Africa, the Muthi grinder. You know, guys, and you know what's beautiful about this product? It's so easy to use. It serves, it does everything. All you just do is pluck, put in your herbs, and voila. Without wasting any further time, let me show you how it works. First things first, of course, you put in whatever herbs that you'd want to grind. Close the lid. Plug it in. Put a bucket, of course, to put in your served herbs. Switch it on and watch the magic unfold. And of course, in the meantime, you can have a cup of coffee. And wait. How's it? Impuphu. Powder. Ukuthi impuphu. Yabona mangintshela ukuthi impuphu. P. Vugani Inventions and Machinery iyatholakala ke eSoweto Deep Kloof Zone 2. And if you want to contact them, you can find them at 067 209 6444. 067 209 6444. Mind you, they've got the most quickest response on WhatsApp. They deliver anywhere in the country. Believe you me, it is now possible. Lizwe di khanya.